Hey guys, so today we're gonna go get a car wash at the gas station. So I'll come back to you guys once we get into the wash. See guys, it's having to spray off the bugs. See, look at that. Did they get it? No, they didn't get it, really. Still a little bit on there, I can see.
Yeah.
But
That's really gonna happen when.
but they cleaned bugs off. So now it's gonna put the rainbow soap on. Oh, well, you see how hard it is to get bugs off, Dad? See how hard it is to get bugs off, Nathan?
Yeah.
Got
Up.
oh, this better come off. Oh my God. See that? Look at this. Alright, let's see if it gets it off. Alright, well, let's see if it gets. Well, it's raining on it first. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, hey, look, it's getting it. It got it. Yay, got it. That's why we need this polisher right here, is because that's where all the bug bites are. Oh my God, look right there. All right, yeah, get all those bug bites off my, get all those bugs off my window. Yeah. Yay, it's getting it, Nathan. I think it's getting it. But I can't show it on my side because my dad doesn't want to be in my shot. So, but I can show it in my side. Let's get the back now. It's back there. My seat is blocking it. There's Nathan. It's gonna come back. Alright, it's coming. Yay. Polish all those bugs off. Oh. Because we were in Canada a couple weeks ago, and yeah, we were on a fishing trip and bugs went on our car and died. I hope no bug bites for a while now. All the way back there. All right, here it comes. Watch this a bit. Here it comes, you guys. Look at that. Look at it. It's getting Nathan's window. And it was getting my window too. Wow. Yay. It got it, Daddy. I think it got it, guys. I think it got it. So yeah, I'm filming this car wash, making sure my dad's out of my shot. Whoa, it's getting the window. Yeah, you don't want to open the window now. You don't really want to open the window now because it's wet. But it will dry it. Alright, polisher's going back up. Now are they gonna do water to it or something? Oh yeah, here comes water. I love how it's not so loud. See, it had to manually spray it off. Ooh, look at it. Oh hey, look. Oh look at that. It got all the bugs off. It got all the bugs off.
Yeah.
Yay! Now it's probably gonna dry, or what is it gonna do? Is it coming back? It's coming back. Let's watch it clean my side. You can't see it out there. You can't see out there. I'll try to get it in my shot, but my phone's gonna make a weird noise. Here it comes. Woo! Look at all that. It's having to spray off. And there it is on the window. There we go. Whoa, here it comes on the window. Look at it. See, that's why we need that right there, is because the that gets all the bug bites off. Oh. It's getting the front of our car too. Now here is the dryers. That was pretty annoying. Look at it, now we're just having to dry it all off. Oh my god, look at this. Like a little rainbow water. That water was shaped like a rainbow. Oh, look at the windshield wiper. There it goes. Oh, that's pretty loud. Oh, great. All right, bye guys. Thank you for watching.